Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into something that a lot of you have been asking about: how to go incognito on LinkedIn using your iPhone. Whether you are browsing profiles secretly or just want a little more privacy, I will walk you through exactly how to do it. So let's jump right in. First of all, find the LinkedIn app. Now click on it. Once you are in the app, you can see the profile icon. Now click on it. This takes to your LinkedIn profile. From here, tap on the settings gear icon. Once you are in the settings, scroll down and tap on visibility under the account section. Now here is where the magic happens. In the visibility settings, you will see an option called profile viewing options. Tap on that. Here you will have three options. You have to choose private mode. This is the one you want. It hides your identity completely while browsing. Now tap on it. Once you select private mode, you can see you have been an anonymous LinkedIn profile user, and that's it. You are now browsing LinkedIn incognito on your iPhone. Keep in mind that when you are in private mode, you also won't be able to see who views your profile. It's a two-way street. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.